Alright, so tonight we had a pretty bad storm, and we went to take the dogs out, and when we did, underneath the deck, we found two little birdies that had come out of their nest. The nest is right up here. So you can see there's a couple birds in there right now, but there's a couple birds down there that fell out. So I'm gonna try to repatriate these guys whose eyes are not even open yet. Got my work gloves on so I don't kind of transfer any of my human smell. Hopefully this will work. Okay, buddy. We're gonna go back up to the nest. Oh, your eyes are open. Look at that. Alright, see if I can navigate this ladder. We'll put you back in the nest until your mommy gets home. Okay. One more to go. Okay, bud. Time to join your siblings. Ready? Oh, look at him. There's food. Oh, and he just pooped. Okay. Ready? Hey, buddy. Okay, up we go. Sorry, bud. I don't have any food, but hopefully your mommy will come back soon. You gotta stay in there, okay? Stay in there. There's at least, when I count, 4 birds. There might be more than that. 1, 2. How many beaks we got? 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 5 over on this side. Okay, we got 5 little babies here. Okay, guys. Good luck. Hope your mommy comes back soon. Oh, and by the way, this is the only proper and acceptable, socially acceptable use of a headlamp. And that's for you, Angelo. Please, don't walk the dog with one of these on your head. That's kind of stupid. Saving birds, you can do that. Bye.